Hello guys, hope you are doing good. In this session, we will discuss about how to configure patch management in Ubuntu server. Guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Guys, let's start. The first thing which we are running in our mind, why do we require patch management? Because we need to update the security of our server. Everything we need for secure our server, you can say updating security, updating patch management is required to update the all necessary security which is avoid the loophole in your server. It's common in layman language, avoid the loophole in your server. So guys, so let's start to install and configure Ubuntu patch management, which is, you can say, it's automatic update. So let's start. First we need to update our server. So guys, if you are not root user, you need to type sudo, because I am sudo user, not root user. So I will update apt get. You can also type -get or just simple apt sudo apt update and upgrade. From this and once you can use and simply you can update and upgrade, or simply you can apt. First command will be apt update and second command will be apt upgrade. So let's just press enter. The required password, so you need to type your password. Once you type the password, your server will be updated, upgrade and updated. So once this updation and upgradation will be done, we will going to install unattended upgrade, which is you can say it's from here we can going to enable the patch management and configure the patch management. So first we need to install unattended upgrade system. So unattended upgrade system command is sudo apt install unattended dash upgrade. The command, what command did I have typed? Sudo apt install unattended upgrade. Just press enter. Once you will press enter, so you have so finally you have installed unattended upgrade in your system. So let's so now I will check the status of this patch management unattended upgrades. So let's check the status. So how can you check the status? Command is systemctl system ctl, then status unattended upgrades. Just press enter. System, I need to press the, I didn't give the here space, I need to give the space, then you can check the. So systemctl status unattended upgrades. Just press enter. Once you will press enter, you can check here the unattended upgrade service is completely successfully running. So it's installed and it's already it's active. So I just need to Control C and I will check. I will here will going to install notifier, update notifier, which once update notifier we are using, if we are getting any kind of updates, it will notify via email or via server notification. So how can you install update notifier? So sudo, again need to type apt install update notifier dash com. Just press it. Once you will press the type sudo apt install update notifier dash com, it will be installed. So here you can check update notifier already exists in my current running server. So now I will going to configure unattended Ubuntu server patch management. So unattended, we will going to configure two patch updation. Here there will be we need to jump to the apt update file cd etc apt, then again apt dot conf d, then press enter, and you can list this. There will be a two files which we need to configure. So first file will be 50 auto upgrade, 50 auto upgrade. There will be a 50 unattended upgrade, you can check here, and there will be this. So now we are going to configure these upgrades which is required. First we will going to configure 50 unattended upgrades. So VI I will use with a VI editor, VI 50, then just tap, you press U and then let's press enter. So now I have jumped into edit this editor mode. So editor mode, we are using VI editor. Just VI editor has following some kind of condition. So if we are going to insert mode, you just press I. Once I have jump onto the, because I didn't use sudo, so I just Q exit. I will use here just sudo. So I am now, I can press I. So there is a two file, app security and infrastructure security and security, which we want to enable these services. So as you can check over here, default, once we have installed unattended upgrade and notify, it will be default it will be automatic configure. So I need to reconfigure this correct configuration or no. So there will be a 4 configuration. This first code name you can check, and distro ID security is automatic enable. So I need to check where app security is also enable, and this, if there is a command, if you want to complete update, you just delete the comments section like //. So once you will // it will be uncommented. So I wanted to which file you don't want it to update and package updates. So you just need to here you can check over unattended upgrade package blacklist. I will going to blacklist. Suppose I want to Apache or a Tomcat or a MariaDB or any fire, anything which we don't want to update, we can just blacklist over here from here. So this is done. So just press escape and colon WQ, or you can use, I didn't make any changes, so it's already configured, just press enter. Now we will going to check the configuration of this updates we have changed. There will be 2 upgradation method which we need to follow. So there will be a auto upgrade updates. This is the unattended upgrades. This is auto updates which we going to check the status. Sudo again VI editor 20 auto updates, just press enter. Once you will press enter, there will be a 2 option, apt update package list, which is already enabled. One we are using update the package list. It's similar to running the sudo apt updates, or same function which we are using here. Unattended upgrade is 1. So this also called as apt sudo apt upgrade it's called. So one we are using to automatic update which is already enabled. So I just need to again escape and press Q colon press Q and not symbol colon not symbol press enter. I just because I have showed to you that this, or if you want to check this is cat 20 sudo, or you don't need to use sudo, or it's just 20 au. You can check this is the file which is already enabled once we are using to auto updates, which already updates is configured. So here there is a two thing, unattended updates already configured. So next thing which we are going to check, the we need to verify which we have configured is correct or no. So verify command is sudo unattended then space dash dash dry then run and press enter. Because I am here verifying this unattended upgrade function is running or no. Just press enter. Once you will check here, it's there is we are not getting any error. So I will again debug this. So sudo just press up arrow and you will get this last command which you have typed, and again I need to press space then space dash dash space debug. I will going to debug debug. So this or functionality which is running checking say SOS report. This is you can check here adjusting all prerequisite, all security is completely running, and you can say patch service is completely, you can say check where trust is trusted. So all security is already updated going on. There is no any kinds of error which we are facing now. So if you want to check the logs, you can, I tell you how to check the logs. So do you wanna check the logs? You can check the logs like sudo cat or cat like cat variable then log of unattended. Just press U and add an unattended upgrade. Then again unattended upgrades once, because I will check the unattended. Just dot then watch file we are having, just press enter. So you can timing is here. This is the time my timing auto remover is variable. Check this. This should be upgrade. This is so this is the log which we are checking over here, which command I have using, and this is the logs which we have already checked. If you want to check the logs, you can go to the this directory, erase this, remove this, or go to the variable log. So cd would jump to the this directory, variable log directory. Just go to the this is the logs which we need to check, unattended or attended logs or unattended logs. You can check the logs like cat unattended log. So this is the log which we are facing, which we are getting. So guys, this is the process to install patch management in Ubuntu server. This is the process to enable the patch management. This is the process to you can say auto update of security patch management in Ubuntu server. Guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.